So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a new science experiment. The science experiment's name is how to extinguish a candle from vinegar and baking soda. So the materials are a glass, candle, a tray, some vinegar, baking soda, and you can take a cardboard piece to cover the glass, and last but not the least, lighter. First we are going to take the glass, then we are going to put the baking soda in it. Okay, this much is gonna be okay. This much is enough. Then vinegar. So guys, now we are gonna pour the vinegar into the glass. So we are gonna pour slowly. Yeah, that's enough. And then we're gonna wait until it settles down. Then we are gonna put this on top to trap the CO2. Yeah, so it has settled. Now we're gonna put this aside. Till that time we are gonna light the candle. So let's light the candle. Yeah. So guys, when you do an experiment with fire, always take adult supervision. So I'm gonna take help of my dad. So guys, as you can see, we have lighted the candle. Now we are gonna slowly take off it, and as you can see, it has been extinguished. Now I'm gonna tell you the scientific reason behind the experiment. So the scientific reason behind this experiment is that the reaction between vinegar and baking soda produces CO2. CO2 is also known as carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the same substance used in most of the fire extinguishers. So the solution we made was CO2 and this was the oxygen. So the candle needs oxygen to burn. When CO2 is poured onto the candle gets extinguished. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye.